nga dala mo? Ano yan?
This is some objects when I need. Here's eating, and here's the toys and we need to cook. So that's why I
So who's
bring
with you? This? Who's with you?
this baby.
Going to mall?
Yeah, the white baby. He loves me
Bakit hindi mo nalang iiwan yan si baby?
because he will cry.
Talaga?
Yeah,
Okay.
because we're too poor to go. That's why.
Wawa and Wawa can taking care of him.
But he likes me because I'm her dad.
Okay. Okay. So you can spend time with your baby today.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's my day off with my baby.
Okay. So you have a date.
Yeah, with my baby. Leonardo, you be a good boy, huh? I give Leonardo a kiss. So because Leonardo bumped earlier.
What did you do nung nabump si baby Leonardo?
But he's not a baby.
Ah, okay.
He's a grown up.
Oh, sorry. What did you, what, so, can I call him Kuya?
Because he do like this.
Can I call him Kuya?
Yeah,
Okay. Nung nabump si Kuya Leonardo, anong ginawa mo po?
I kiss.
Okay. So, he feel better now.
Leonardo, we feel better. So, hey, that's my fishing rod.